Went from this, right, back down, up, and I would expect to come back down right here. Well, I don't know what to tell you guys. All right. Beautiful, beautiful price actions played out exactly as predicted, okay? And I'm not just one of those YouTubers that says exactly as predicted every single time, even though they never predict it right, okay? If you've been watching my videos, you know that we took this short up here, easy short. We took this long. We took a short right up here on the 15-minute time frame as price came to resistance. And I said that price was going to go back down here eventually. And where did it go? Where did it go? So I'm going to kind of go through how I am so easily able to call where price is going to go. Because it's not rocket science, and anyone can do it, and anyone can make money with this, okay? And I'm not just saying that to get your hopes up or to get a subscribe or a like or whatever. I don't need that, okay? I have a system in place that works that I want you guys to use. I hope you can feel my energy through the screen and understand that I really just want to help you guys. Like, that is my sole intention, is I wanted to create a system that could help as many traders as possible and build an amazing community at the same time. You know, someone commented in one of my previous videos, you know, why do you sell an algorithm if it's that good? You know, why does anyone sell a great product, okay? Easy Algo is the greatest buy-sell indicator of all time, hands down, and our traders know this. So I'm going to go through where I think price is going to go next. You know, I exited my short around here, okay, at this 29.4 area. And I'm going to kind of cover where I think I see price going in the near future. So first things first, right? If you don't have Easy Algo, first link in the description below for this indicator, which is the only indicator that you will need. And I mean, you guys have been watching my videos and taking these trades with me, hopefully. And it's not rocket science. So this range is the perfect range for trading right now, okay? Regardless of what anyone says, yes, the price action is terrible. Yes, you know, we're trading sideways, but we want to be trading sideways. That's how you make money. You know, if a price is just going up, it's harder to find those entries. If price is just going down, it's harder to find those entries. But when price is trading sideways for an extended period of time, you can long and short all day, okay, if you really wanted to. And that's what our traders are doing. You know, they're longing and shorting all day based on these levels that Easy Algo gives us. And as you can see, we came down to the support here at around 29,190, and we're currently finding a little bit of support. So I am looking for relief in the near future on the Bitcoin 1 hour chart. I'm expecting some relief, okay? I am. We came up, touched this resistance, came back down to the support, broke through, and now we're at this crucial support area that's held multiple times. Now, like I said in the past, it worries me a little bit that we've touched it so many times, and to be honest, you know, it looks weak, okay? If you're a bull right now, it looks weak. I'm just going to be honest. So, and we're currently at this level again, all right? So many times that we've came to this level. Let's go down to a 15-minute time frame and see what's going on, okay? So we haven't got a buy signal yet, but as you can see, we're holding this level still on the 15-minute time frame, and I think we're going to go up from here, okay? It came all the way down to just below 29K. You know, to me, this looks something like this, right? We came up here, we tried to break through, couldn't do so, came back down, and now I'm expecting a reversal to the upside using Easy Algo's confirmations, right? So exactly what's going to happen, I don't know. I don't pretend to know where the market is going, but I can make a pretty educated guess with Bitcoin, with Easy Algo's support and resistance levels. So right now I'm looking for longs. After a big move like this, right, you shouldn't really be looking for any more shorts when we're at a crucial support level. And guys, this support level needs to hold. I'm going to go back to the hour time frame. This support is crucial, okay? It needs to hold. If we don't hold this level, I mean, maybe come back down here to low 28K, and after that, oh man, I don't know, you know? Not much support below us, to be honest. Not much support below us, so we got to hold this level. I'm praying we hold this level. Back to the 15-minute. Here's what I'm looking for, and I'm going to use Easy Algo's confirmations to confirm my trade and enter a trade on the 15, maybe even the 5-minute if we see some divergences on Fu Manchu Cipher B. Let's load that in real quick and see if we get any. So we're seeing some divergences here, okay? We came down to this support level, and what do you know? We have a bullish divergence, okay? So, I mean, beautiful, beautiful long right here that I probably should have taken. Probably going to come up back to this 29.3, you know, maybe get rejected from there. But really, I'm hoping for some more relief, because that was a big, fast drop, okay? That was a fast drop, and even on the 15-minute time frame, we're seeing some divergences, which is always good. Fu Manchu Cipher B works amazingly well with easy algo, but I'm looking for something like this, okay? I'm looking for something like this, you know, on a shorter time frame, and hopefully get back up to this mid 30K level. And we just saw a buy signal flash on the 15-minute. It did not confirm, so let's see if it will confirm. I don't know if it will. We're right about here, 29, right around here right now. So I'm looking for something like this. If we can get a buy signal right now, that would be our best bet. This is best case scenario for Bitcoin right now, okay? This is best case scenario. So we have a buy signal on the daily time frame, and if you have easy algo yourself, you know how convincing these one-day buy signals are, okay? When we get a buy signal, price goes up for at least the next week or so, you know, at least, right? If we're taking into consideration its past price action, and we're right down at around, you know, this crucial support area. And bottoms usually take a long time to form, okay? Bottoms usually take a little bit to confirm. As you can see here, this took around, I mean, a little over 2 months, right? And we've only been in this range really for like what, not even a month and a half yet, maybe like a month. So we could see a lot of sideways price action, which is great for trading on the lower time frames. But just some basic TA, you know, using easy algo support and resistance levels. As you can see, we came up here, came back down, came up here, came back down to grab this liquidity. There's a ton of liquidity right here, okay? Ton of liquidity from June, July 2021. So basic TA, guys, would say this, okay? And this isn't me trying to give any hopium or anything like that, but I can see another leg up. Now, will we get a new all-time high? I'm looking at 60K, okay? That's my main level in the mid to long-term future. Before the end of the year, I'm looking for something like this, right? And maybe get, you know, a triple top, and then that would, I mean, something like that. That would destroy every trader, okay? And the market tends to do things that we don't want it to do. And I don't think a lot of people see this move coming, which could be great. Now, price action looks weak, like I said. Price action looks weak for the buyers. We need to hold this level. This is a crucial level. If we don't hold this 28K area, you know, really our next support, if you can even call it that, is at around 23, 24K. What I'm looking for next is something like this. Something like this. Will we get it? I don't know, but we're going to use easy algo signals to confirm. If we get a buy signal here in the hour, I'm expecting us to go back up to 30,000, around there, roughly, okay? Anywhere in this level. We'll be taking profits on the way up, moving stop loss to break even, as always, and really focusing on trading. And here we go. Buy signal on the 15-minute time frame. Make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the private Telegram group coming shortly. And this is going to be a game changer, guys. Not only is it going to be an amazing educational group where advanced traders, you know, not only myself, because there are people with easy algo right now who have done numbers that I have not even done close to, okay? You know, we had a trader turn $500 into 18 grand in 2 days, okay, on one of his accounts, and I think he had 2. On the other one, he like 20x his money, so he made another like 10 grand off that. Not only is it going to be an amazing educational group where you will actually be able to see these trades, okay? We're gonna give you guys trades like this. You know, we're going to give you that in advance, trade ideas, and not only on the hour, mainly on a lower time frame such as the 5, 10, 15 on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, maybe even some Forex stocks, because we have a ton of traders who are crushing right now using Easy Algo. And I mean, I'm honestly at a loss for words. The testimonials so far have been absolutely incredible. I mean, the feedback has been unreal. So I do want to thank you guys so much, but this is only the beginning for Easy Algo. We are going to take over. Easy Algo V2 is on the way, and it's just going to be an all-around great community inside the Telegram. So if you're looking forward to that, leave a like, leave a comment down in the comment section below, and let's get this, guys. This is only the beginning for this channel and for this algorithm, and I've got a ton of stuff coming, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. Ton of new video ideas, ton of new videos on the way that's going to help out so many traders, and I'm so stoked to make them. So definitely be on the lookout for those. But that's it for me, guys. Just want to give a quick update on how I'm able to kind of predict these moves with the Easy Algo support and resistance levels. I mean, it doesn't get much easier than this, guys. But that's it for me. I'll catch you next video.